Imagine a world where artificial intelligence transforms the way we create wealth. This is not a distant reality, but a tangible future that began with the advent of robotics. Robotics, a field once relegated to the realm of science fiction, has now become an integral part of our everyday lives. It's the first major wave in the AI revolution, marking a pivotal moment in human history. In the past few decades, we've seen robotics evolve from simple programmable machines to complex autonomous entities capable of carrying out tasks previously thought to be the sole domain of humans. This transformation has had a profound impact across various sectors, from manufacturing and healthcare to logistics and beyond. In the world of manufacturing, robotics has revolutionized assembly lines, bringing unprecedented levels of efficiency and precision. Robots tirelessly work around the clock, free from human constraints such as fatigue or distraction. This not only increases productivity, but also significantly reduces the risk of workplace accidents, translating into substantial economic savings. In healthcare, robotics has opened up new frontiers in patient care and medical research. Surgical robots, for instance, can perform intricate procedures with a level of accuracy and consistency that surpasses even the most skilled human surgeons. This leads to quicker patient recovery times and lower hospitalization costs, a win-win for both healthcare providers and patients. And let's not forget the logistics industry, where robotics has made its mark in the form of automated warehouses and delivery drones. These innovations have drastically reduced the time it takes to process and deliver goods, enabling businesses to meet the ever-increasing consumer demand for speed and convenience. These are just a few examples of how robotics has been a game-changer, proving that businesses who embrace this technology can reap significant economic rewards. But remember, this is just the beginning. The rise of robotics was just the first wave in the AI revolution, paving the way for more sophisticated applications of artificial intelligence. From robotics, we journey into the realm of chatbots and generative pre-trained transformers, or GPT. These are the next steps in the evolution of artificial intelligence, and they're making waves across numerous industries. Let's start with chatbots. They're essentially automated conversational agents. You've probably interacted with one when booking a hotel room, ordering a pizza, or even when browsing a new website. These AI-powered entities handle customer service queries, provide information 24/7, and even assist in lead generation. Their efficiency, scalability, and cost-effectiveness are why businesses are increasingly integrating chatbots into their operations. Then we have Generative Pre-trained Transformers, known as GPT. This AI model has the ability to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence. It's like having a virtual scribe that can draft emails, write articles, and even create poetry. Content creators and marketers are leveraging GPT to generate engaging material, save time, and improve productivity. But it's not just about enhancing business operations. Savvy entrepreneurs are also capitalizing on these technologies to create lucrative ventures. Take, for instance, the rise of AI-powered content generation platforms. These platforms use GPT to generate everything from blog posts to ad copies, providing a valuable service for businesses and content creators alike. Or consider the proliferation of chatbot development services. As more businesses recognize the value of chatbots, they're looking for experts who can create customized chatbots to meet their specific needs. Entrepreneurs who have honed their skills in chatbot development are finding a ready market for their expertise. These innovations are more than just technological advancements. They're opportunities to create, to innovate, and yes, to generate wealth. Chatbots and GPT have undeniably opened up a new avenue for wealth creation. But the AI revolution doesn't stop there. As we stand on the brink of the future, one term resonates loudly: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks, but also understand, learn, and adapt, much like the human brain. This is the promise of AGI, a branch of artificial intelligence that aims to build machines with the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. Now, that's a tall order, but the progress in this field is nothing short of remarkable. From beating grandmasters at complex games like Go to driving cars autonomously, we're witnessing the early stages of AGI development. But the true potential of AGI extends far beyond these feats. Imagine AGI systems that can innovate, create new technologies, and solve complex problems. They could revolutionize industries from healthcare, where they could develop new treatments and drugs, to energy, where they could optimize renewable sources and reduce our carbon footprint. These are tasks that require a level of intelligence and creativity we've traditionally associated only with human beings. The economic impact of AGI is potentially astronomical. By automating complex tasks, AGI could drastically increase productivity, leading to unprecedented economic growth. It could create new industries, much like the internet did in the late 20th century, leading to a surge in wealth creation. But as with any transformative technology, AGI also poses significant challenges. It could disrupt labor markets and exacerbate income inequality. It could also be used maliciously if it falls into the wrong hands. Therefore, it's crucial that we navigate the development and implementation of AGI responsibly, with an eye toward maximizing its benefits and mitigating its risks. While AGI is still in its infancy, its potential for wealth creation is beyond anything we've seen before. As we move forward into this exciting new era, it's essential to stay informed, stay engaged, and seize the opportunities that AGI presents. After all, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. The AI revolution is here, and it's creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. We've heard it time and again, haven't we? But how do we seize this AI opportunity? The answer is in 3 simple yet profound steps. Continuous learning, staying updated, and integrating AI into your business operations. Firstly, continuous learning. Artificial intelligence, like any other field, is constantly evolving. There's always something new to learn, a fresh perspective to consider, a novel technique to master. It's a journey of discovery, of pushing boundaries, of never-ending education. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a coding guru. There are ample resources available to help you understand the workings of AI, its potential applications, and its limitations. Online courses, webinars, seminars, workshops, choose your pick and embark on this journey of learning. Next up, staying updated. The world of AI is dynamic, with advancements happening at breakneck speed. It's essential to stay abreast of these developments. Follow thought leaders in the field, subscribe to AI-centric newsletters, join AI discussion forums. Being in the know not only helps you make informed decisions, but also sparks innovative ideas that could revolutionize your business. Finally, integrating AI into your business operations. It's one thing to understand AI and another to put that knowledge to practical use. Analyze your business operations. Identify areas where AI could bring in efficiency, reduce costs, or create new revenue streams. It could be automating mundane tasks, using chatbots for customer service, or leveraging machine learning for data analysis. The possibilities are endless and the rewards immense. These steps aren't a one-and-done deal. They are iterative, overlapping, and ongoing. It's a cycle of learning, staying updated, implementing, analyzing, and then learning some more. It's a commitment to growth, innovation, and excellence. By embracing AI, you're not just adapting to the future, you're shaping it. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological revolution, it's an economic one. This revolution is already shaping our world, and its influence on wealth creation cannot be overstated. We've traversed the landscapes of robotics, where machines are performing tasks more efficiently than humans ever could, boosting productivity and profits. We've explored the realm of chatbots and GPT, where businesses are capitalizing on the efficiencies of AI to drive customer engagement and increase revenues. We've peeked into the exciting future of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, where AI's potential to innovate and create is virtually limitless, promising new avenues for wealth generation. From robotics to chatbots, GPT, and the future potential of AGI, the AI revolution carries immense potential for wealth creation. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, one thing is clear: those who seize these opportunities will shape the future of wealth creation. AI is here, and it's changing the way we create wealth. Embrace the power of this technology. Keep your finger on the pulse of the AI revolution and seize the opportunities it presents. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI and wealth creation. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more insights into the world of AI.